So, guys, 2008 BMW 550i. So it's got cats right there, and then we true dueled it all the way back. Put a FedEx pipe on it, 2.5, all the way back to let it breathe on each side there and there. And then finished it off with some sexy Natami staggered tips right there and right there. Came out clean. Look at this beast. I know you guys are ready to hear it, so let me let you guys hear it. But let me show you what we took off. This BMW comes with 4 resonators, 2 right there, 1 right there, and 2 mufflers out the back. All on one side, but it comes with this plastic shroud that covers this side. We took it off, so that's the shroud right there. We took it off and ran true duels on it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, I think. Like that. I don't know why they do that in the first place. BMW, stop being cheap. Always make it dual. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. That's how a BMW should sound. Nice idle to it. Give it gas. Wow. Again. Here's sound decibels. 109. Wow, 109. That's crazy. Again? Yeah, I like it. Clean idle, everything. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, it's a little bit windy out here. Our mic's covered, but hopefully you don't hear the wind too much. That sounds phenomenal. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our beautiful shop. Let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW 550, true dual, fully straight piped, with Natami quad tips out the back. Wow, that sounds great. Woo! That sounds really good.